back to Danny Ray Lives. Thank you guys all for tuning in today. Today we are gonna make a huge delicious pot of gnocchi soup. I am so excited for this one. It's pretty much just throw everything in a pot and call it good, but it's gonna be great. I'm excited to share it with you guys, and thank you guys for watching. Let's head into the kitchen. Hello again, welcome. We're gonna start today's gnocchi soup off with just cutting up an onion and putting a little bit of olive oil in a pan here. So we're gonna turn this on. We are going to put some olive oil in the bottom, just a tablespoon. I'm gonna cut my onion up here. Let that cook for a minute and then we're gonna move on. Now I'm going to cut up 3 cloves of garlic and we're gonna mash some field roast sausage. Garlic is first. Somehow mash this field roast sausage up. Field roast sausages are really good for plant-based meals, just so you guys know. You can eat them as a normal hot dog, or you can mash them up into the soup like we're doing now, and you can pretty much do anything with them. The only problem is you gotta cut them open. There we go. Get that casing off of them, so that's a little weird, but they are really good though. We're just gonna make Okay, next I'm gonna mash up these sausages and get those in there. So, I've never actually really done this before, but I think a fork. The next step here is to cut some basil up. So I got some fresh basil here. And I'm gonna cut all those up. You need about 2 tablespoons, it said, chopped basil. I'm pretty excited about the fresh basil, honestly. I don't normally cook with basil and mint and thyme all that much, but I'm super excited to be using it more and more. Okay, so that's nice and chopped up. Now, it was supposed to be 2 tablespoons, so I'm just gonna kind of stuff. Yeah, this should be good. Just checking to make sure that's gonna be enough. But it looks like it is. Give my hands a little rinse. my god, you guys, this smells so good. I'm so excited for this one. I'm excited for Ethan to try it too, because he's gonna love it. Okay, so. Basil. We're gonna do a can of these diced tomatoes. And then we're gonna do a whole box of veggie broth. Yum, yum, yum. So we're gonna let this simmer for about 20 minutes. And then we are going to add the gnocchi and then some fresh spinach. And then we'll pretty much be done here. So yeah. That all in there. Give it a little stir. Oh yeah. This is gonna be great, you guys. We're gonna add a little salt and pepper at this point as well. All right, we're gonna do some salt and pepper time. Salt and pepper time. Mmm, so good. Do a little bit of salt. And then we're just gonna do a teeny little bit of pepper. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. Salt and pepper time. I think I just really like my mom's salt and pepper containers. Those are like the coolest things ever, but I can never have them in the van, so I can't get too attached. We're gonna give this a stir and we're gonna leave it for 20 minutes. All right, the last part of this gnocchi soup is some chopped fresh spinach. We're gonna put that in there. And then it also says a 9-ounce pack of gnocchi, and I have a 17-ounce pack. And I thought about putting all of it in because I love gnocchi so much. But then I decided probably not a good idea, and I can always add more, I think, later. So I'm only gonna put about half of this in. I don't want it to be too much in there. But I also love gnocchi, so I feel like, I don't know, maybe I should just put it all in there. I'm doing it. I'm gonna put it all in there. I'm gonna put the whole package. What am I gonna do with the rest? So, you can use as much gnocchi as you want. This probably just makes more. But, we're gonna let that simmer for another 10 minutes. And then, we're gonna eat it! Hopefully Ethan will be home by then and he'll be able to try it. So that's exciting. So yeah, another 10 minutes and then we're golden.
Record yourself eating it.
Yeah. Say hello.
Hi.
All right, we're gonna try it out. It's still probably pretty hot, but first bite. Oh my god, that's so good. It's hot. It's spicy. Yum! Y'all try this recipe at home. Deuces.